Hey guys, today I'm busy with two laptops, eindelijk 3 or 4 laptops eindelijk. Let me just quickly show you. This one is okay, that one is an old Celeron. It's just slow and it needs to, it actually took Windows 11. I don't know how that happened, but it took Windows 11 and it didn't say that it's not compatible. So that is not then that old. This one has gotten seriously liquid, water damage. Everywhere you can see the, unfortunately, it got wet for quite a while. Or I think it definitely saw water for more than 2 days. Even the RAM, I thought maybe we can reuse that. Nope. Nothing on this is actually reusable. And yeah, so that's going to become a new Vivobook. I did manage to get the the SSD out of that machine and took all the water out. It's quite a mission to get this thing open, but all the water I've removed that, sprayed it with alcohol spray and let it properly dry for a few days. So we're going to replace it with this Vivobook. This is i5. Let me just get it quickly get it out. I can show you there the i5 X1504V, and this has got 512 gig SSD, 16 gig of RAM, and Windows 11. Let me just get it. So this will be the laptop. It's got a nice finish on it. I've unboxed one of these before, so you can check out that video. I don't think it was an i5, but it was roughly the same machine, definitely. This one has got RAM on board, 8 gig, and then it's got an 8 gig chip installed extra. If we have a look inside, we've got this layout that is a little bit strange. You'll see the NVMe SKU. I've seen that before also, but they installed it like this. I wanted to see what NVMe do they give you, but yeah, that sticker is quite a bit on there. The RAM at least we can check out. Hey, SK Hynix. And this is in the midst of a RAM crisis, and they still give you good quality RAM there. So that's a plus. The other RAM is on board. So you've got your RAM, your wireless cord that's in here. This is a little Realtek. There we go, Realtek. And that's the inside of this Vivobook. Hopefully this just shows you what it looks like. It's got massive speakers, hey? Hopefully it sounds good. Anyways, so you'll have to open it up with 2 hands, and then it's got this little screen protector in there. Full-size keyboard, the 15-inch, with a privacy shutter there on the camera. Let me just try and slide it. Yep, it's just got a little red thing there when you slide it close. This one has got the power button on the keyboard straight there. The hinges is I think it's better quality than previous models, because yes, we had problems with those. And a nice size touchpad. Now see now that this one, while I'm booting it up, it's got a backlit keyboard. So that's a surprise to me. I didn't actually check that specs, but that'll help the client when they're typing in the dark, and that's a bit of an upgrade on the previous laptop. Yeah, we'll carry over all the data from the old liquid damaged laptop to this one, and make the customer happy and be able to work again. Thanks for watching.